And I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos that I have already put out so far. You guys have been really sweet, and I really appreciate all the comments and kind words and all of the subscribers. Thank you guys. And so anyways, if you're ready, let's get into. Okay, you guys, so I'm just starting with unloading my dishwasher. I feel like, I don't know, for some reason I either start with unloading my dishwasher in the kitchen or with making my bed. In this particular video, I am only showing like me cleaning my kitchen and my living room, because those are the main things. Oh, in my bathrooms, because those are the main things that needed to be cleaned this particular day. So when I'm doing that, I normally start with my dishwasher. I feel like that's like an everyday task though. So yeah, so I normally just unload my dishwasher and go ahead and put the dishes from the sink in the dishwasher, and that's what I'm doing here. And I thought I'd just show you guys a glimpse of my of how I kind of store my dishes. I don't have anything fancy or completely organized the way that I store them, but it's a system that works for my husband and I, and yeah, it works for us. Of course, this is another everyday task. I like to go through and I do hand wash baby girl's bottles. I did notice that it did say dishwasher safe, but I don't put them in the dishwasher. I don't know. Let me know if any of you put like your baby bottles in the dishwasher, like if you, I don't know, put all the parts in like a little sack or something to keep them all together, or just let me know, because I hand wash her bottles and that's like a whole task every day. And I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but when you have a 7-month-old, it takes up a lot of time to kind of go through and have to hand wash all of those pieces and getting them clean and all of those things. So just let me know if you guys use the dishwasher for your bottles, or if you have used the dishwasher for your baby bottles when your children were smaller. So just let me know. Here I'm just kind of smelling the pieces. You guys, all you moms, you know how bottles can get, and I just like to make sure that her bottles are still like smelling fresh and things like that. That's a great indication as to like when I need to sterilize them, which I try to do that sometimes 2 or 3 times a week. Just pop them in, some boiling water and boil them, but I don't do that every day. So I try to make sure that I kind of smell the pieces to make sure they're still fresh. didn't have to spend as much time in there, but this is the best wave I've found so far, and it works for me. Baby girl came for just a little bit. She needed a break from dad, I guess. So I am washing and drying our sheets and comforter today because I try to do that weekly. So that's what I'm doing. And my washer and dryer is nothing fancy, but it works. And so yeah, I didn't feel the need to kind of show you guys my washer and dryer. If you're interested in it, let me know. I can show you. And it doesn't matter. There aren't matching washers and dryers, but you know, it's not a matching washer and dryer. Sorry, my words got tangled. But anyway, your shower curtain or any curtains all the way to the ceiling, it just gives the effect that the room is much larger than it actually is. And so I really like that. So I tried it out and it actually works. And so I have been doing this with all of my curtains and throughout my house. So you can't really, and I hate that I didn't show like all the way up to the top, but I'll remember to do that like in future videos. Tidy up my shelves, because if you can't tell, it's a hot mess over there. It's a lot going on, and things is just all over the place. My makeup is kind of all over the place, and again, I feel like I just cleaned up, so I honestly don't know how all that happened. But somehow things tend to kind of get, disheveled out of nowhere. Okay, guys, this is actually our guest bathroom. I have not really thought of exactly what I want to do with this guest bathroom. It's really fancy in here, but the colors slightly match, and it works yet again. But I wanted to like change the colors in here, and we even have so I'm almost hoping that she'll get a little bit older, get a favorite color over theme, and then I'll kind of change the theme of this bathroom based off of what she would like to have in here, or something more like kid friendly. I don't know, but it was our guest bathroom. We do have family members like that over. Most of the time, they overspend the night, and so of course, this bathroom is available for anyone to use. However, we just don't have a ton of people over. I did kind of revamp this bathroom. Right now, what it's used for is my husband, because he gets up so early in the morning and he didn't like to disturb us, so he kind of go ahead and come in here to take a shower, and to kind of get dressed and ready from this bathroom. Plus, I think that he doesn't like really dealing with like all my makeup and all that. He feels like it's a lot of stuff, and so he kind of comes in here to like cut his hair and all those things. So that's what this bathroom is used for, and then of course for guests when we have them. But I'm hoping to kind of do something in here very soon, like the colors. I'm not really satisfied with the colors in here anymore, and things like that. I want something different, a different vibe in here. I actually might do something different in here, so you guys stay tuned for that, just to kind of refresh and revamp my guest bathroom. So yeah, I might have one of those coming soon. I really want something different in here, and we're not having any guests anytime soon that we know about right now, but I just kind of want to change up some things. Yet again, here is my good old broom, and in a minute you will see my dustpan. It's nothing fancy, but it works. I would love to like upgrade this one day to be able to have one of those vacuums that vacuums like the floors, like the hard floors as well as the carpet. But I don't have that right now, and so the good old Broom and Dustpan, it works. It's not fancy, but it works. And that's what I'm all about, you guys. Like, I am all about just keeping your house and your environment clean. It doesn't necessarily have to be fancy things to keep your house and your environment clean. You can keep your house and environment clean with sometimes very minimum. So this is kind of what I have, and I feel grateful to have the things that I do. So I am this is what works for me. This is what I'm most comfortable cleaning with, and it keeps my house and environment clean, and that's why I like it. Now I am moving to my half bath. This is downstairs, and yet again it's a bathroom that gets used, so I try to keep it very tidy and clean. Like, I'll come in here and just wipe things down randomly throughout the week, just because you never know if you're gonna have somebody over. Most of the time we don't have too many visitors, but if we do, I like for things to be tidy and clean, so I just come here and wipe things down kind of on a regular basis. So I don't have a lot to typically clean in here. Plus, this bath, of course, does not have a bathtub, and so it's just the toilet and the sink, and so it doesn't take a whole lot to clean in here. It can be a lot trying to get all 3 bathrooms done, but it gets done. But you know, this bathroom in particular isn't very difficult to clean. To me, this is the best glass cleaner ever. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it is just the best glass cleaner ever. It's like a foam glass cleaner. I'll show you guys exactly what I use to clean in another video, but that is like the best like window cleaner, glass cleaner to me. That is one product that I use that actually probably has some chemicals in it, but it's so great that I don't necessarily mind. But yeah, I haven't really found one that's more compatible. If I could find one that's just as compatible without chemicals, then I would definitely use that. So, but I hadn't found one. And just going in with my broom and sweeping up the floor before I mop. And again, this rug is underneath that stand, and I don't always move that stand because I just don't. So today I'm not moving it. I'm just kind of mopping around that and just kind of getting things cleaned up. Plus, I was kind of in a hurry towards the end of this because I had to kind of get a few other things done and situated with baby girl. So I was kind of rushing through this last part, but at least it got clean. At least it got clean for the most part today. So I was just grateful to get that much done. Now I'm just going to switch out the laundry, and I'm going to start another load of laundry so that I can get a few things washed. Okay, so this is our living room. Baby girl kind of have free range to kind of play down here. Most of the time I'm down here with her when she's playing down here. And so I've got to kind of baby safe some things as far as like the corners on my TV stand. But anyways, I need some new like decor slash being able to keep your living room kid friendly. I don't know. Like I'm having a hard time with all her toys and colors everywhere. And like even that pink crate there, I put that there because I had an extra one that was pink from her room. But like it being downstairs is like it's a lot for me. So I don't know with all the colors and things. If you guys have any ideas as far as like keeping, you know, the decor the way that you would kind of like it to be, very neutral without like all the toys and colors, and being able to tuck those away and hide them. I was definitely thinking about like a toy box, but when I think about a toy box I also think about colors, like being colorful for a child. So I don't know, like I don't know if it would be best to like have them in an ottoman. You guys let me know what you think. I want to keep it very child friendly for her, like a kid friendly environment living room, but at the same time I kind of want to keep things very neutral with my color pattern and color scheme that I have going in the living room. So let me know what you think about, you know, as far as like where to put toys and things like that in your home when you want to keep your decor together. So, and I probably have said it a gazillion times in this video, but if you already know what I'm gonna say, you know, my vacuum is nothing fancy, but it does work. It's a bagless vacuum, and so it picks up very well. I'm sure that if I had a like better one, it would probably pick up even more. I am a vacuum girl. I love to vacuum. I love to vacuum. I love to vacuum. That is my favorite task to do. And you know, like I enjoy seeing what comes up off the floor. I remember that I did not get a chance to sweep because baby girl came in at the end, right at the end of me trying to clean the kitchen, and I did not sweep and mop the kitchen. So I had to kind of go back and sweep and mop the kitchen. Okay, hi guys, I'm back. So that was a great clean with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like my comment area, clean with me, how I kind of do all of our bathrooms, which I like to do those once a week, and then the half bath downstairs, and then like our kitchen, living room, like kind of tell you guys what I'm doing and why. And then also leave a comment down below. Do you like the talk through cleaning videos, or do you guys more so like the just the cleaning videos, no talking? So you guys let me know with just like maybe some music in the background. So you guys let me know. I know personally I like both. I like to hear like the cleaning videos with the talk through, and then I also like the music ones. So you guys let me know what you would like to hear, because I'm here to entertain you guys. So let me know what you would like to see, and I will try to do that. And I'm excited, and I thank you guys again for all your views and comments, and again, welcome into our home and welcome to Cleaning with a Purpose. It has been fun today. Thanks for hanging